Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by working on one panel at a time. This keeps control and even product placement. Apply 1-2 light taps of styling powder directly at the root, then immediately pinch and lift to distribute. This creates instant texture and lift. Once done on the first panel, move methodically across the crown, making sure to keep powder off mid-lengths unless you want grit there. The how is simple: targeted root placement plus mechanical lift. The why: powder grips hair and builds volume without weighing it down. Once the roots have product, you need to blend and sculpt. Use your fingertips to rub the powder into the roots so it absorbs oil and adds grip. Then, if you need more height, lightly tease just the root zone, short, controlled strokes rather than big backcombing. Make sure to smooth the top layer with a flat brush to keep the straight look intact while preserving hidden volume underneath. The why: blending prevents visible residue and teasing targets lift without destroying straight lines. To finish, lock your work with a light hairspray and a final fingertip lift at the crown. This preserves the texture while keeping hair straight. If you see white flakes, you probably used too much. Rub the area with dry fingertips or sweep with a paddle brush to blend. If volume fades later, add a pinch of powder only at roots and reactivate by massaging. Don't over-apply. The how and why here ensure longevity. Targeted touch-ups extend texture without creating buildup or stiffness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.